other significance we'll be giving them, and we'll also be teaching how to draft clients and how to what sequence of documents. At last, we'll be checking their corresponding document. We have done it. Now we are approved. This is what the sequence is.
So, like you have worked in teams, okay? So none of you have like individually filed the patent, no, right? What someone had done, like drafted, searched, done everything. Anybody? You have.
I hope all these 29, the 30 students, 28, all would have done the search, drafting.
You're so silent.
When they are your seniors, when they just to she's comfortable with you, right? This is an opportunity. You kindly be somewhat bold and kindly be somewhat open to speak with them, right?
Audience, please raise your hands. So you have drafted. Okay. Then how do you feel while drafting or searching the patents? How difficulty or what comes to your mind while
finding right keyword for searching other customers?
Other things like what difficulties you have? What comes to your mind while searching and drafting patents? Boys? Okay. To search prior arts and all, right? You'll compare the prior arts with, you have got an invention and you're searching for it, you're getting a similar prior art. What will you do? You should compare both those things, right? Have you done that? No. I'll teach you. So, how do you feel? Only 2 people out of 29. How do you feel? It's an else part. First and foremost thing is claims. Claims is like the heart of a patent. Okay? Claims is like everything the patent owns. If a claims is strong, we get a grant of the patent, because if we have a weak claims, that's like easily anybody can design around this. They can also invent the same thing around this. So the claim should be very stronger, and one of the thing is like it is not a normal English language. Claims, it requires some special things to be done. Like the normal words we use in English doesn't go with claims. We have to use patent. Okay, we'll cover everything from title, abstract, and for surprisingly, you are going to draft today. Okay, I'll teach you for about 1 hour. I will go through all these things, process, how it runs, everything. The next hour, you are going to draft. Okay, I'll split you in teams. I'll give you the case studies, and you can work on. Okay, any guidance and any help will be given from me, and you can at least practice at least one independent claims. You will be thorough and you can go walk it like so confidently that I can write claims. Okay, so this will be the session for today. So this will go as like the process. So improvise where you have to put the novelties. Okay, everything will be taught today. So please be attentive. And second years, I hope you generally have an idea of what patent is and why do we file patent, how much years we file the patent. Okay, if you know that much, that is really enough for today, and we can move with that. But for third years, you already know some knowledge, so please be interactive and be attentive. Be curious or open-minded to ask. Not here, please be attentive and ask questions. Be open-minded to answer. Maybe it is correct or wrong, doesn't matter. Okay, you have to be bold enough so that only you can learn about things. If you're not even able to answer a question or ask a question, then how will you enter the industry and work there? Third is, like after this coming February will your placements begin, right? Then what will you do? How will you enter? See, you may have a zero knowledge, okay? Take me as an example. Zero knowledge in this field. I entered just by talking. Just by talking, I entered. Think, but now the industry has been changed. You cannot, even when he doesn't even have a zero knowledge, wins. This is the industry works. So you have to be open, have conversations, okay? That will build your future in any industry. So patent industry goes like you enter as an associate, you go into an analyst, then senior analyst, that way. But not every IT or core domain goes like that, okay? Maybe EC, biotechnology, many other domains seated here. Under the Vinod Kumar? No.
Yeah, he's been enrolled over there. To be frank to you, we have some groups of students. In that group, each one there has to be one student to be a pattern in charge. Like they will be given training regarding the pattern. So they are big groups. They will be given training. And they are
Talking to them, they have no idea about patents. See, the second years, listen. Don't have idea about patents. Tell me frankly, I don't even know what is patent. Why do we do patent? Raise your hands, please. Second years. Good. Patent தெரியாது. நீங்க என்னன்னு தெரியல. நான் ஒர்க் ஷாப் வர சொன்னாங்க, like RP something. I came. அந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது இருந்துச்சுன்னா please raise your hands. Or like patent something. Patent first thing. Enna difference? What is the difference between my water bottle and your water bottle? Enna difference irukku? Why should I patent your water bottle? You should ask the first and foremost question. What is new? Okay? Please note that first point whenever you are drafting, you should always keep it in mind, only one point. What is new? First and இப்போ இருக்கிற ப்ராடக்ட்க்கும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இருக்கிற ப்ராடக்ட்க்கும் என்ன நியூவாக இருக்குது அப்படின்னு you should ask the inventor. Like if I am the client, you should ask me, what is, see, I have a water bottle, you also have a water bottle, what is new in your product? Why should I patent this? What is new here? What technology is used here? How is the cap designed? How is the water bottle designed? என்னென்ன features இருக்கு? Is AI there? Is sensor there? Water levels measure பண்ணணும். Everything you could ask. So many questions you should ask. Then only you can draft a patent, right? Without even asking the questions, framing the questions in your mind, you can never even draft a patent. Not even search a patent. தெரியுமா தெரியாதா? Prior art? No. Prior art means, see, same thing which has existed before. Like, if I said water bottle, right? இதே வாட்டர் பாட்டில் இதே மாதிரி ஃபீச்சர்ஸில் ஆல்ரெடி வாட்டர் பாட்டில் மார்க்கெட்டில் இருக்கா இல்லையான்னு சர்ச் பண்ணி பார்க்குறது ப்ரையர். ஸோ இதே லைக் சேம் splitting into two, you have already like filed a water bottle which I am saying, and you are inventing the same water bottle. So what you have to do is first check மார்க்கெட்டில் ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம இன்வென்ட் பண்ணுற ப்ராடக்ட் இருக்கா இல்லையா. Have to test this basic thing, right? Where will you search? Google patents. See, there's so many platforms to search for. Sir has said, sir had teached you about a lens, Wipro, Google patents and all for third years. So, ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் மார்க்கெட்டில் ஆல்ரெடி இருக்கா இல்லையான்னு தெரிஞ்சாதான் அந்த ப்ராடக்டை உன்னால் கொடுக்க முடியும். ஓகே, ஸோ ஆல்ரெடி இருக்கிற ப்ராடக்டே நீ கொடுத்துட்டேன்னா வாட் இஸ் த யூஸ்? யூ வில் பி another ஒரு காம்படிட்டர்ஸ் தான். ஓகே, திங்க் லாஜிக்கலி. ஒரே வாட்டர் பாட்டில் ஆர் லைக் ஒரே ஃபோன், அதே மாடல், அதே டெக்னாலஜி, if you give the same thing in the market. Another point, India, globally, India is one specific thing, but think about globally. If you think globally, if you are inventing the same or a phone எடுத்துக்கலாம், or any examples, pen, chair, anything, okay, you are inventing a pen. அந்த பென் வந்துட்டு ஒரு சென்சார் இருக்குது, அந்த பென் வந்து அதை கைட் பண்ணும், ஹேண்ட் ரைட்டிங் இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணும்னு வச்சுக்கலாம். அந்த பென்